For a bike lover, there isn't a better feeling than riding your bike. And when riding your bike, there's only one thing you wish for: a smooth ride from start to finish. No hitches, no drawbacks. This is OYO, the world's first hydraulic chainless e-bike. It rides smooth. Probably the smoothest ride you've ever experienced. To create OYO's continuous sleek movement, instead of a chain, OYO uses hydraulic fluid to transform the pedaling motion into a forward drive. Then there are the gears. OYO has no gears. No, scratch that. OYO has infinite gears, but you don't have to switch them around. OYO has built-in sensors that collect data about your speed, cadence, and torque and choose the proper gear for the bike automatically. So whether you're on a decline or an incline, OYO adjusts its gears to support your needs. When you stop, the hydraulic system moves to the lowest gear, so when you're ready to go, so is OYO. And since there's no chain, just hydraulics, the switch is seamless. Smooth. No chain also means almost no maintenance. No pants stuck in chain, no looking down to see if you're riding properly. No hitches. Need to stop? An anti-theft mechanism controlled through OYO's app adds extra protection, so your mind can be as free as your ride. Oh, and if it wasn't clear, riding OYO is fun. Super fun, even. OYO's ride is designed to be comfortable in every way, and the materials are the best possible. We guarantee it. But just to be sure, you get a 3-year warranty. The people behind OYO have been working ceaselessly for 6 years to perfect their bike to make sure it'll be smart, clean, and super responsive. They went through 5 different prototypes until they came to this design they want to push through. Now, they need your help to make this revolution a reality. So if you want to move to the next level in bikes and enjoy the smoothest ride possible, get OYO and never stop riding.